down. So mom is roasting breadfruit. Here are all the breadfruits we are roasting. You want me to pick up some? They're split.
Yeah, what's them? What's the job?
Breadfruit from our breadfruit tree. Look at Rue, guys. He keeps throwing up and eating every thing. Look at my mom peeled 20 million breadfruits. Oh, good morning. I'm trying to make my great grandma Milo tea. I always put too much Milo in it. She likes it really sweet. Mama? You put sugar in your Milo or milk? Sugar or milk? Sugar or milk? Milk? You, Mama. You said you were going to get baptized. How many times? 2? Baptize one more time to make it 3. Why not? You're settled down with son. So why not get baptized?
Baptize no make your sin. Your sin naturally.
Mama, you don't want to get baptized again?
No, don't.
Who's gonna drown you?
We pastor.
Why would he drown you?
Together.
Okay.
You see, when we go, and then we work.
But they chopped it down now.
Then I buy no cane again. So,
why?
Me no know.
A Dashin?
Dashin.
No, right? Oh, you're not.
The one of Mr. Lee. And him, he company kind of for all who wear cane up here. He no cane again.
Oh. Okay. You're not working though.
Me?
Yeah.
No, me retire.
I'm happy. Well, you're not easy.
So me not like the push on, you know.
Yes, me either.
When you go over
Yes.
and me put out the goat.
Uh-huh.
And if he with kid,
Yeah.
if he with kid and he have the kid, not until after they say 5 months. And when the goat a kid, if we prove saying a kid and he had the kid then, we pay the bill.
What do you? Oh,
Understand
to
me?
get the goat pregnant.
Yes.
Oh, of course.
Yes.
Of course, Mama. No problem. So when will you know? 5 months from now?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. But only one baby?
He not have it yet. He can get 2 and he can get 3.
Mm.
A 2 breed and a 3 breed.
Oh,
So and he can get 1.
okay.
Left to the head them, then say.
Oh.
But after the rammy jumping,
Mm-hmm.
a head gain say. So if 2 of the head catch, or 3,
Mm-hmm.
he had 3 kids.
They ever teeth one of your goat?
Oh, yeah.
Are you have goat and what? Cow?
No, Sammy, no, no, go. Goat and go.
Pig?
No, no pig.
Oh, just goat alone.
Just a goat. I don't worry myself over because of people they work for. Me and my mother goat, every drop 3 kids. And me just tie him like me yard there, so me tie him so.
Mm-hmm.
And gone down the road. When we come back, me no see the goat. Me say, then me just tie the goat where the goat there. You see, when me hunt, them cut off the rope for when me time and gone with it. Gone with the goat.
When?
In the last year. Yeah, them a 3 goat me lose in the last year.
Them thief 3 goats?
Some say 5 cow then take with him down there, you know.
Cow?
Yeah.
And a cow big.
Then take night kill it.
Oh, nighttime them come kill it and then them take the meat.
Oh, not that good.
Lord of mercy.
Not that good.
This room, you can't.
You can't.
Mama, let me see.
Not that good.
What do you minister?
Where they going?
Oh, it's curly.
Where they go so? Me like a gas station. As a past gas station. Me right now one vehicle.
Say it again, Mama. Say it again. Say it again, Mama.
If me have 50, what me want if 100 and start and hold and cap. No, me win the lottery and left to give me people.
So what woman say? So one man, one woman and one man say, win the lottery.
Left to give me
And left
people.
it- one of them say, I'm chicken back too long now. And if me rather win the lottery, I fit up me I'm chicken back. Me prefer life. One money.
So you are watching now, Mama?
Me are 65.
So you want,
February, me are 66.
So you want 100 and how much?
That's what the woman say. That's what the woman say.
You know, I live to make a job. When you don't get job, you can't do nothing to yourself.
Yeah. I'm going to down there so far.
You don't want to catch that.
Sometimes some people ugly enough.
What the man?
But when you get into them,
You don't look ugly to you.
you know look ugly to you. This is what we get of a boys. Brother send one 3-piece suit for England for me. Chose the sketching with us. 3-piece suit. So Halleck dead now, and we don't go to Halleck funeral. You know Halleck? You used to market people and Jericho. Why is he dressed up in a 3-piece grey suit? Why is he wear? Then I said, boy, is he can't wear. You know, stay good. So we can't get along with him. So he's going Jericho. We hide him.
I'm not going with him, now.
We hide him. All in the walk up and down with one plate with food now. Wherever he they see him up behind him. So embarrassing. He said, Charles is up there so. And this sack.
The long trousers but too short.
I like trousers but the short. Grey suit and blue socks, bright blue socks. You can't see the whole of the socks. And you can't tell him, say no stay good.
I wine around here.
One day, no. Remember when me had no clothes? And he give me one 3-piece. The vest, jacket and the skirt. And he said, me so glad to me they wear 3-piece. Watch church. When me watch church, I sit down in my 3-piece suit. Sissy when watch church, Sissy's kind and said, come here. I wear back.
Why?
Sissy said, bye. It don't stay good. I will watch church. I will watch church for my hand.
So you don't try no send us there.
It didn't look good to you? What did it look like?
Hmm?
It looked, when you looked in the mirror, did it look good?
Well, it's a jacket long and
Then you know should have looked at the glass. Every 2 hours. What me get? Where them I give me? Me try them and look at it. If you don't time with me no. Every piece of clothes.
Sissy said, don't wear it back. If somebody look for me, they must say,
I went get that. I went get that. If me get time with clothes, I do not time with me, can't tell you. So me time. But me not we are not
I
much.
give fire,
You
yeah.
want to wear.
I give fire to Sophia.
The criteria for make sickness but me.
Me go to go on the river and wash my frock and wait and bathe and there on until it dry.
Me do it too.
Go on and sit down until it dry.
Me wait till,
Me patch my panty. He wash till the seat rub out and me put one chocolate and patch in it. Sew in it in it so.
never do that.
You ever patch your panty? You patch for me.
Never. But I do one year now. Now, when we go out, now we ring the crutches up.
Oh, Mama.
Shape you come here, you come here. No, that is the wife I miss. No, this one, not two of you.
So where rag? Yes,
You
sir. Yes,
take
sir.
me rag with me, you take me rag with me, ambulance. And then I'll put you up to you. You drive them, you know, I'll be rag with me. And then put you with me.
I'll roast the breadfruit.
Come on, come on now.
No.
You can't fish come on now.
Yes, big. One heap.
Thanks so.
You're welcome. One
You can't
heap.
fish come?
No! I don't know see him.
Alright.
Me not cut trouble him. And me not say nothing to him. Me don't go tell him say no take me turn papi shoe. That's all I mean to say. Me not cuss him and me not. But me don't tell him say no take me turn papi shoe. For papi shoe ain't got me the tongue.
Alright, ma'am.
Turn to the choir and say me no fit say so. Me no fit say them the word. But you the just that.
You're gonna go home and cook for your hubby.
Yeah.
Life sweet, mama.
Yes.
You're gonna be right, okay, right?
Okay.
You're not gonna fret because you see
No,
me all
me
the time.
Me not fret. Yeah. Then they fret the first time, but not now. Again.
And you're not gonna cry.
No, me not cry.
All right. I love you.
I love you too.
And I'll see you soon. Sooner than you think.
Okay.
I love you.
All right, yeah.
Bye, I love you. Guys, my Graham is leaving. Look at her, hottie. Bye, Mom. I'm gonna walk you.
Come on.
Look at my grandma.
Yeah? Yes, mom.
Ooh. Mama, tomorrow. Great grandma got me a goat.
Yeah, good.
Mm-hmm.
So what about him? Him?
I guess her. Sleeping over Friday.
Yeah.
All right, bye.